Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the topic data storage hierarchy from Unit 3 of Business Data Processing and DBMS Fundamentals. This is the part of Fundamentals of Information Technology. Myself Dr. M.D. Ajij, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Technology, University of North Bengal. Today in this lecture, firstly, we are going to talk about data storage, then focus on to the data storage hierarchy, and lastly we need understand how data storage and data storage hierarchy are related in the light of business data processing. Let's start with what exactly is data storage and why it is so crucial, and let's break it down in simple terms. Data storage is all about how we keep our information safe and organized in a digital format. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet where you store important documents. Just like you can open a drawer and pull out a paper whenever you need it, digital storage allows us to save and retrieve information easily whenever we need it. This keeps everything safe, organized, and ready for use at any time. So, understanding data storage is the key to managing information efficiently, especially for business that rely on accurate and accessible data to operate smoothly. Now we need to explore the data storage in depth and talk about why it is so important for business. Here are 4 key reasons why data storage is crucial. First one is accessibility. That means stored data can be easily accessed whenever needed. Imagine having all your important documents neatly organized in one place, ready for you to use at any moment. This is the essential for everyday's business operations because it is ensure that employees can quickly find and use the information they need. Second one is security. Proper data storage methods protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and loss. Just like you lock your filing cabinet to keep your documents safe, digital storage uses various security measures to keep your data protected from cyber threats and accidental loss. Third one is efficiency. Efficiency data storage system allow for quick retrieval and manipulation of data, saving time and resources. Think of it like having well-organized library when you can quickly find the book you need. This helps business operate smoothly and respond faster to any need or changes. And last one is backup and recovery. Reliable data storage solutions ensure that data can be recovered in case of accidental loss or damage. It is likely having a photocopy of your important documents stored in a safe place. If anything happens to the original, you can easily restore the copy and continue working without major disruption. So, in summary, we can say data storage is vital for keeping your business running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. By ensuring accessibility, security, efficiency, and reliable backup and recovery, businesses can maintain their competitive edge in the digital age. After discussion on data storage, now we are moved toward different types of data storage and how each one is used. Let's break them down in simpler terms so that you can understand. First, we have a primary storage that is also known as volatile storage. An example of this is RAM or random access memory. RAM is used for temporary storage. While a computer is running, it is super fast, but it loses all its data when the power is turned off. Think of it like a notepad that gets erased when you close the computer. Next one is, that's mean another type of data storage is secondary storage, which is non-volatile. This means the data stays intact even when the power is off. Example included hard drive, solid state drive, that is SSD, and USB flash drives. These are used for long-term storage, like keeping your important documents and files safe and accessible whenever you need them. Then there is a cloud storage. This includes services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon S3. Your data is stored on remote servers that you access through the internet. The great thing about cloud storage is that it offers accessibility and you can access your files from anywhere, just like having a digital storage room in the cloud. We also have optical storage, which is like CD disk, DVDs, and Blu-ray disc. This type of storage is less common for everyday business uses, but it is still useful for a specific purpose, like distributing media or keeping long-term archives. Last one is magnetic storage, such as magnetic tapes. These are often used for archival purpose and backup because they are reliable. However, they are also slower compared to other storage types. Imagine it like an old library archive. It's not as quick to access, but it is dependable for long-term storage. So, in summary, each type of data storage serves as a different need, from fast temporary storage to reliable long-term archives. So understanding these types helps you choose the right storage solution for your need and many purpose. Now let's talk about how businesses use data storage in their everyday operations. And data storage plays a crucial role in various aspects of businesses. And here we are exploring basic 5 practical applications where data storage plays a crucial role in business data processing. First one is we have a customer information management, where business store customers' details in the database to manage relationship and provide personalized services. Imagine a retail store that keeps track of your purchase history and preferences. This information helps them offer your tailored recommendation and better customer services in future. Next is inventory management. In case of inventory management, data storage allows businesses to keep track of stock levels, orders, and suppliers efficiently. Think of a warehouse where data storage helps monitor how many items are in the stock, when new orders are needed, and which suppliers provide the best prices. So this is the another example where basically business data process is applicable. Then there is a financial records. Storing financial data securely is crucial for compliance, auditing, and strategic planning. For example, companies need to keep accurate records for their income and expenses to ensure they are following laws and making information financial decisions. We also have employee records, where HR departments use the data storage to maintain employee information, payroll records, and performance review. This helps in managing employee details efficiently and ensuring everyone gets paid correctly and on time. And lastly, data backup and recovery. Regular backupping up the data ensure that it can be restored in case of hardware failure, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. Think of it like making a copy of important documents and keeping them in a safe place. If anything happens to the original, you can easily recover the backup and continue with the minimal disruption. So, in summary, we can say data storage is essential for managing customer information, tracking inventory, keeping financial records, maintaining employee details, and ensuring data is backed up and recoverable. This application helps business run smoothly and efficiently. Now come into the another topic, that is how to choose the right data storage solution. So choosing the right data storage solution is crucial for your business. Let's break down the key factors you need to consider to make the best choice. First up is capacity. Make sure that storage solution you choose can handle not just your current data but also any future data as your business grows. Think of it like buying a larger cupboard. If you know you will need more storage space for your things later on. Next one is speed. Choose a storage type that provides fast access to data, especially if you need real-time processing. For example, if you are running an online store, you want to be able to quickly access and update inventory information as sales happen. Then there is a cost. You need to balance the cost of the storage solution with its features and benefits. It's like finding the best value for your money when shopping for a new phone. You want to make sure you are getting the most features for the best price. Then security is also critical. Ensure the storage solution offers robust security features to protect sensitive data. This is like using a strong lock and alarm system to keep your valuable data safe from the theft. Finally, consider scalability. Choose a solution that can grow with your business. Think of it like having a flexible office space that can expand as you hire more employees. You don't want to outgrow your storage solution too quickly. So, in summary, when choosing a data storage solution, consider the capacity, speed, cost, security, and scalability. By keeping this factor in mind, you will ensure that your data is managed efficiently and your business can grow smoothly. Now, if we conclude the part of data storage, then in simple terms, we can say that data storage is fundamental aspect of modern business operations. It involves storing data in various formats and using different technologies to ensure the data is accessible, secure, and efficiently managed. Understanding the basics of data storage, its importance, and how to choose the right solution can help businesses operate more smoothly and make better informed decisions. Whether you are managing customer information, financial records, or employee data, effective data storage is key to maintaining a competitive edge in today's digital world. So, another important part of data storage is Understanding the data storage hierarchy or data hierarchy. So here we are going to talk about a fundamental concept in managing business data called data storage hierarchy. While it might sound complex, it's actually quite simple and helps us organize and manage data efficiently. Let's break it down step by step. Think of the data storage hierarchy as a ladder where each step presents a different level of data organization from the smallest piece to the largest collection. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up. At the very bottom, we have the bit. This is the smallest unit of data and can be either a 0 or 1. Think of it like a tiny switch that can be turned on or off. Next we have byte, which is a group of 8 bit. For example, a letter A in computer language is represented by 1 byte. It's like grouping 8 tiny switches together to form a single character. Then we have fields, which is a single piece of information like name or a number, for instance John or 123 would each be a field. Field are the basic building blocks of data. Above that we have the record, which is also the collection of related field. For example, all the information about one employee like their name, ID and position makes up an employee record. Next we have the file, which is a collection of records. Imagine a file containing all employee records in a company. It's like a folder filled with individual employees' profiles. And finally, at the top, we have the database, which is the collection of related files. For instance, a company's entire entries HR database includes files on employees, departments, salaries, and more. It's like a big cabinet that organizes all these folders in one place. So, to sum up, the data storage hierarchy helps us organize data efficiently from the smallest bit to the largest database. Understanding this hierarchy ensures that our data is structured, accessible, and easy to manage. Now we are diving into why the data storage hierarchy is so important in business data processing and database management. Let's break it down simply. The data storage hierarchy is like a ladder that helps us organize data from the smallest to the largest unit. Here is why it is matter in business. Firstly, it boosts efficiency. Imagine organizing your socks or putting your socks in one drawer, shirts in another. Similarly, organizing data into bits, bytes, fields, records, files, and database makes it easier to find and use. Secondly, it ensures data quality. That's mean when data is well structured, like filling out a form correctly, it stays accurate and reliable. This is crucial for business to make informed decisions. Thirdly, it speeds up data processing. Think of it as organizing your notes for a test. When they are well organized, you find what you need first. A well-structured hierarchy does the same for the data, helping business react swiftly. And lastly, it ensures accurate reporting. Just like making sure your story is told correctly, a clear data hierarchy ensures that reports are based on reliable data. This builds trust and guides better business strategies. So, there you have it. The data storage hierarchy is not just about organizing data, but it is about the efficiency, quality, speed, and accuracy in business operations. Now, we are going to discuss on each level of the data storage hierarchy. So, in data storage hierarchy, a key concept is how business organize and manage their data. Let's unpack each level step by step. We have already discussed the concept of bit. It is the basic building block of digital data represented by zeros and ones, just like letter from words, bits from all data in computers. Moving up, we have the byte, which consists of 8 bits. Then next one is we encountered the field and then record, and moving forward we have a file, and lastly or finally we reach the database. So the understanding this hierarchy helps businesses manage data efficiently, ensuring information is organized, accessible, and reliable across different aspects of their operations. Let's see that how understanding this hierarchy can benefit a business. So we are exploring how understanding the data storage hierarchy can greatly benefit businesses in practical ways. Let's just dive into it. Firstly, efficient data management is crucial. By organizing data systematically using the data storage hierarchy, business can ensure that information is well structured and easy to access. Then, this is systematic approach not only helps in day-to-day operations but also support long-term planning. So imagine having all your customers' details, inventory data, and financial records neatly organized and readily accessible. Then improved decision making is another key benefit. When data is accurately structured, businesses can generate reliable reports and conduct through analysis. Imagine using well organized sales data to forecast trends or optimize inventory levels based on historical demand. It is also start with a well defined data storage hierarchy. Next, if we come into the third point, that is data security is paramount. Properly organizing data helps in implementing robust securely measures safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. So by structuring data with access control and encryption methods, businesses can protect customer details, financial records, and proprietary information effectively. And last one is cost saving. Efficient data processing and storage not only save time but also reduce resource required to manage data. Imagine cutting down on unnecessary storage costs or optimize data retrieval processes, which translates into the significant saving for the business. So understanding the data storage hierarchy is not just about organizing data, it's about optimizing the operations, enhancing the security, or making informed decision. So if we summarize the concept of data storage hierarchy, then we can say it is the fundamental concept in business data processing and database management. It helps in organizing data from the smallest unit bit to largest, that is database, ensuring efficiency, accuracy and security in data management. By understanding and applying this hierarchy, business can enhance their data processing capabilities, leading to better decision making and overall operational efficiency. Now come into the last topic, that is the relationship between the data storage and data storage hierarchy. So now we need to understand how data storage and data storage hierarchy are related to each other. So firstly, let's understand the data storage. That is, we have already discussed, it's all about the physical and logical method used to store data, like using the hard drive, SSDs, or storing the data in the cloud. And data storage hierarchy builds on these foundations. It's like framework that helps organizing all the records, all the stored data systematically. This hierarchy categorize data from the smallest units like individual bits, those binary zeros and ones, all the way up to complex database that hold vast amount of information. The structured approach is not just about organization, it also enhances the efficiency in data management. Different storage technologies are used to handle large volume of data. So the data storage hierarchy ensures that within this storage system, whether it is hard drive or cloud storage, data is organized efficiently. This makes easy to find and manage. Then come into the data retrieval part. This is another key aspect. It's about how quickly and efficiently we access the stored data. The hierarchy plays a crucial role here. By organizing data into fields, records, and files, it streamlines the process of querying the database. This means faster access to information when you need it. Next up is data integrity and security. Securing data is essential, and the data storage implements measures to protect it. The data storage hierarchy enhances security further. It structures the data in a way that allows for precise control over who can access what, whether it is individual's field or entire records or a large files. And lastly, that is accessibility and maintenance. As business grow, they need more storage capacity. The hierarchy supports accessibility by keeping data well organized. It ensures that even as data volume increases, it remains manageable and accessible. So there you have it, data storage and data storage hierarchy. They are the backbone of how business manage and protect their information. Let's take a practical look at how customer database works and how it relates to the data storage hierarchy. Imagine you are running a business that stores customer information digitally. Firstly, your customer data is stored accurately and securely on a cloud server. This is where all the information about your customers is kept safe and accessible. Now, the lowest level of hierarchy, we have bits and bytes. These are the like the building blocks of your data storing the binary code that we have already discussed previously, that is represents each piece of information such as a customer's name or email. Moving up the hierarchy, we have the fields. Each field holds a specific piece of information like customer names, email and phone numbers. So in this way we can see that how the data storage and data storage hierarchy plays an important role in data processing technique in business management. Now we are going to discuss the benefit of combining data storage with a hierarchical structures. And here we are going to explore the benefits of combination data storage with hierarchical structure in simple terms. Imagine you are managing data for a growing business. So by organizing data in hierarchical structure, you are setting up a clear framework. Here is the how it benefits your business. So firstly, a clear hierarchy simplifies data management. That means it makes it easy to find specific information, up-to-date records and generate reports. For instance, imagine quickly finding a customer's details or tracking inventory levels without confusion. Then come into the improved performance part. That means structured data means faster processing and retrieval process. When your data is well organized into fields, records and files, computers can find and deliver information swiftly. This optimizes your system's performance, ensuring tasks are completed faster. Then it can be benefited in terms of better data integrity. Consistent organization means better data integrity. When data follows a hierarchical structure, it is less prone to errors. Each piece of information is where it should be, maintaining accuracy across your record. This reliability boosts trust in your business data. Also, it can be benefited in terms of scalability. That means organizing data scales with your business. As you grow, adding more customers, products or operations becomes easier. Your hierarchical structures accommodates new data seamlessly, keeping everything manageable and accessible. And lastly, security and compliance. So structured data supports security and compliance. You can implement robust security measures to protect sensitive information. Plus, meeting data protection regulation becomes straightforward when data is organized and controlled at different levels. So combining data storage with a hierarchical structures is not just about organizing information. It's about enhancing the efficiency, improving the performance, maintaining the accuracy, facilitating the growth and ensuring the security. It is a foundation of successful business operations. In conclusion, we can say data storage and data storage hierarchy are very much linked. Data storage provides the means and the technology to hold data, while data storage hierarchy provides the structure and organization. Together, they ensure the data is stored efficiently, managed effectively, and accessible when needed. So, the understanding both concepts and how they interrelated is crucial for anyone involved in data management, helping business operate smoothly and make informed decisions. Standing at the end point of this lecture, we have drawn an overall conclusion, that is, data storage and its hierarchical structure are essential for business to organize, manage, and protect their valuable information effectively. By using various storage technologies and organizing data into structured hierarchies, forms, bits to database. Businesses can ensure efficient operations, enhance performance, maintain the data integrity, and comply with security standards. This foundation understanding supports informed decision making and helps business adapt and grow in today's digital landscape. Thank you.